A long time ago in a home far, far away, I really loved my action figures. I threw them in a dumpster. Now I'm collecting them in 6-inch. This is my journey. I give my list of Star Wars figures I want to family members so I can spend their money instead of mine. Me. Love to paint them and collect them. This is my Star Wars fantasy collection. Thank you for watching.
Obi-Wan, you can tell me what this is.
I won't get too long into the box, but Lando Calrissian in the Skiff guard outfit. I love it. Number 76. We'll get right into it right now. Nothing fancy about the box, so let's open it up and check it out. Lando Calrissian. Billy D. Williams in the Skiff guard suit. I don't understand how this isn't more iconic. I don't know how it ended up being a peg warmer. I don't even know how it ended up being at Ollie's, but you know what? It's okay. Doesn't matter. This is not the archive one. This is the Black Series one, of course, you've seen in the box. So I'm a little confused how this isn't a little more iconic suit, because everybody loves Boba Fett. I love Boba Fett. I'll tell you right now, Boba Fett and an Imperial Stormtrooper, 2 favorite first characters ever. That's hands down. So, but the funny thing is, I think when Lando was in this suit, I don't know if he had just as much screen time or a little less than Boba Fett did in Return of the Jedi. Maybe it's the same. Not including Lando in the Cloud City outfit, though, which is another one I probably will pick up here. But this is my far, far favorite Lando, you know, when it comes to him being in a suit or whatever. And I'm glad they did that. I'm glad they gave him two different Landos. But anyway, the scene that I just love, and I tell you, man, when Han gets out of the carbonite and they're putting him on the skiff, getting ready to throw him into the pit, and the tentacles grab Lando's leg and he pulls him down into the pit, and Han says, "Chewie, give me the gun." He shoots down and he says, "Don't shoot, I thought you couldn't see." And he said, "A little higher," just like right here. Check this scene out.
Chewie, give me the gun. Don't move, Lando. Oh wait, I thought you were blind. All right, trust me. Don't move. A little higher, just a little higher. Chewie.
That's one of my favorite scenes in Return. I don't know why. I love the barge fight. I love all that. Anyway, like I said, I don't understand. Like I said, I'm not going to take this long. We're going to go through a couple things, and then we'll be done. But I don't understand how this isn't a sought-after, iconic suit. But yes, it is iconic. But I thought this would be something that would be hard to actually get your hands on, or it would be crazy markup. Can you imagine what Lando's thinking when he looks at Boba Fett, thinking, how did you get way more popular than me and we have about the same screen time? I'm thinking it kind of went like this. Okay, anyway, so we got Lando here. You've seen all this stuff before. I'm not going to make this long. What I do like about this so far in 6-inch Black Series stuff, these accessories, they come right out of the clamshell, and so does the figure. There's no ties, there's no wires, there's no nothing, there's no rubber bands. But anyway, let's look at this just real quick and we'll be done. This is a wonderful sculpt. I love it. I loved it. I love Billy D. Williams in this outfit, and I do love, outside of the Skiff fight, Cloud City is the all-time favorite spot in Return of the Jedi. Favorite, hands down. But anyway, here he is. This is Billy D. Williams here. Lando Calrissian. Here he is right here. Let's move the camera down a little bit. Maybe get a couple comparisons here. Which another couple favorites right here all together. A couple favorites right there. Right there. Couple favorites. I love these. I know I called these a dynamic duo in my last video, meaning that it's a set. I see them as a pair. And they're the evil twins. Might as well say, I know they're far from twins. Anyway, this is Lando Calrissian. You gotta have, it's a must-have in the Skiff suit. I love it. It's a must-have. I think you gotta have it. Back here, these are awesome, by the way. It's my daughter's birthday, and she comes with me with gifts today. How crazy is that? These chickens she painted for me. They're awesome. I love it. And Kobe printed me out a finals box over here. Love that. Anyway, I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you sticking around. And this is my journey to my 6-inch fantasy figure pickup from what I had as a kid, from the ones I had as a kid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.